Welcome to our video on sarcopenia, a condition affecting many older adults. As we age, our muscles naturally start to weaken and shrink. This condition is known as sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is the loss of muscle mass and strength that comes with aging. It affects mobility, balance, and overall quality of life. Symptoms include difficulty climbing stairs, lifting objects, and an increased risk of falls. Several factors contribute to sarcopenia, including hormonal changes, decreased physical activity, and inadequate nutrition. A sedentary lifestyle accelerates muscle loss. Regular exercise is crucial for maintaining muscle mass. Exercise is a cornerstone of sarcopenia management. Strength training and resistance exercises are particularly effective. A protein-rich diet helps build and maintain muscle mass. Include lean meats, dairy, legumes, and other protein sources in your diet. Some medications and supplements might help with sarcopenia. For example, vitamin D and certain hormones can be prescribed to aid muscle health. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new medication or supplement. Hormone replacement therapy can be an option for some individuals, particularly those with low testosterone levels. This should be discussed with a healthcare professional to understand the benefits and risks. Physical therapy can provide personalized exercise plans and help improve mobility and strength. Working with a physical therapist can address specific needs and enhance overall function. Incorporating regular physical activity into daily routines can help manage sarcopenia. Activities like walking, gardening, or light jogging contribute to muscle health. Sarcopenia is a common part of aging, but with the right treatments and lifestyle changes, you can manage and even reduce its impact. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you for watching. See you next time on Daddy Medi. Stay informed and stay healthy.